Hi friends, and welcome to my studio, which is basically a desk squeezed in between my living room and kitchen/dining room. I really wanted to document this because I'm planning a small makeover soon, so it will be interesting to see how it changes. Okay, so on the left side here, a niffler is guarding my alcohol markers. I don't use them as much anymore, but I like that they are easily reachable when I do want to. There's also a small chicken friend and my mechanical keyboard that, hey, even lights up. On the right side, I hung up a couple of artworks. Some are mine, some from other lovely artists that I'll link below. Also, here's my voiceover mic and a random selection of pens, markers, brushes, and other random things. I should probably declutter this a bit because I don't use everything here and it's kind of at its limit, if you know what I mean. Cool, now let's move on to the chest of drawers. On the top, there's my trusty Epson printer, and then in the first drawer, I have just some random bits and bobs I use quite often, including memo pads and this Cricut scraper and hole punch and so on. Then the second one is all of my most used sticker and usual paper. Third, again, is a bit random. I have my pencil case and sketchbook in the back, and then some A6 photo paper, extra Muji pens, and glassine bags in the front. And in the last one, I have most of my current shop stock. Some keychains and stickers, plus my business cards, and a bunch of my test stickers I use for decoration. The space under my desk usually looks like this, but sometimes, if you're lucky, you can find my shop assistant. Oh, and my print storage as well. Okay, and let's move on to some other parts of the apartment where I keep shop and art stuff. Here in this cabinet, you can grab paper towels, tissues, or laminating and sticker cutting machine. And, of course, a bunch of extra sticker papers, cutting mats, and other things on the side here. In my closet, there's also some pretty common closet stuff that everyone has, right? Like envelopes, bubble mailers, boxes, paper cutter, ring light, and even a sticker sheet storage box. You might also ask yourself, are bookshelves meant to store books? Yes, and my photo props, paper tape, watercolors, and you guessed it, more paper. And that's it. That's my current art studio that hopefully will be upgraded soon. I hope you enjoyed this behind the scenes look, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!